Last week I went and shot at the Feast and Furious car show in Sydney, and I left one image out. Now there's a reason I did that, but if you want to see this, go to this, stay tuned. So now while I was at this meet, I managed to capture myself a Lamborghini, which there's quite a few in Sydney, but seeing them at a car meet modified and done up is still pretty rare. Now this one was a black one, making it an undercover meet made it a little bit harder to try and get a better shot. So I'm just going to show you the quick editing process that I did, and doing something that I don't really normally do, using presets. Generally when I shoot, I try not to use presets to edit, mainly because they're not always my style. I prefer to shoot and then edit in my style. I do have some of my own presets, but this time I actually purchased some presets from a guy called Northborders. Check him out on Instagram and YouTube. He's got some pretty good presets, so we'll dive right into Lightroom now and we'll check it out. So as you can see here, I've got the picture of the Lamborghini. Now I've intentionally shot it on an angle to show you what I would go through when I edit a photo. Now, it kicks off here, I don't like that angle. First thing I do, always change that angle. Why is it not coming out tonight? There we go. If you hit that guy there, just give it a little bit of a twist. So it's a little bit straighter. Yep, that looks perfect. It's not right in the middle though, so that's bugging me as well. What we'll do is we'll just crop that down. So if you hit shift, grab the corner, pull it in until it's sitting a little bit more centered. That looks better. And we're going to drag it down, because I think it looks better when it sits more at the bottom. Hit done. I think my eyes are a little bit off tonight. Let's go a little bit back the other way. And there we go, that's better. So now as we go over to here, you can see these are your presets on the left hand side here. Scroll down and you can see the ones that Mike's are here. He's got cars, drone, night and street. I'll put in a link to purchase those ones down below. Now in the various ones, we'll kick off with cars, dusk, night, sunlight, urban overcast. Yeah, I do like that. Warm tones, that one really brings it up, but it's not really what I want in this picture. So I'll put mine away. Oh, what are we thinking? I'm thinking blue and orange actually. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna roll with that one. I like that. Okay, so we kick off. Now we go over the right side. Over here is where we'll see all the different. This is all the everything to do with the presets. But I do want to change a few things around to the way that I would have it edited. So let's go. Let's kick off with the radial filters. Let's see, where are they? So we've got 3 already. What do they do? What does this guy do? Okay, so that one's blue. Let's change that a bit. Let's make him in here. Make it a little bit smaller because I don't like it coming all the way over there. Yeah, that's better. Tuck it in and touch. Maybe just pull it back out. Yeah, that's better. Alright, what does this guy do? Let's see what's going to do this. It darkens things off. I like him over this side actually. We'll just pull him over here. Oh! Don't know what happened there. Started to draw another one. Give it a flick. Now, what does this guy do? Okay, so he's a bit lighter. Alright, we'll center him straight over the car. And if we go to the exposure, Oh yeah, pop that up right there. Let's just pull it in a touch. Open it up a little bit more. I do want to sharpen it up a little bit, just so it's nice and crisp in there. Look at that. I didn't add just a touch of saturation to make those colours, the green and the red in there, pop. But I do have a couple other things I want to do. So let's make a new one. New radial filter. Put this guy over there. Tail lights there. Spin him. There we go, look at that. And then what we'll do, there we go. Right click on that, duplicate. Bam, look at that. We'll drag him over here. Spin him about there. Sweet. Okay, now I think I want to do one more. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's it right there. Lift that. Look at that, now you can see all that detail in there. Let's hit that. Okay, so we'll just have a quick look at the before and after. There we go, look at that. You can see in the before it's really dark, but in this one, in the after, it pops. You can see all the people, everything just jumps out at you more. You want to lighten up the, one thing I haven't done. Let's go into, we'll add a little bit of, where is it? A little bit more vignette in there, just to, not so much, there we go. Just a touch, just to make it jump out a little bit more. And I think with that, that's pretty well done. As you can see, as you can see from the before, the after, you can really see the difference. You want certain things to pop out, like the tail lights that just do not on that marbleized paintwork on there, the grille, you can actually see the details. You can see that it's a Lamborghini now. Before it was hidden, just those coloured lights in there. The wing even actually stands out a little bit more. I probably could have done a bit more on that, but this is just a quick edit to show what I would do. If you're Instagramming, that's what you would do. That would get the attention. You could probably do it even in a vertical rather than a horizontal, but I always keep all of mine horizontal. I think that. If I was going to go further into it, if it was an actual shoot, there'd be no people here. I could always set it out, this guy's leg over here, just to try and clean up a little bit more, maybe even edit all the line work out, just clean it right up, because I'm a bit of a neat freak and I cannot stand mess. But at a car show, you're going to get mess, so you just have to deal with it. That's the way it is. Now, if you like what you saw there, feel free to like, subscribe and follow for more, because these are going to continue. This is just the beginning. And with that, I'll catch you on the flip side. Peace.